How to fix WhatsApp connecting problem on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix if WhatsApp says connecting on your iPhone. The issue over here seems to be that if I launch my WhatsApp application, you'll be able to see something along the lines at the top which says connecting. And most of the times, which means 90% of the time, it is most likely your network issue. So before we try to do any of the general fixes, I want you to simply go ahead and then check your network connection. For example, if you're using Wi-Fi, try to restart your router or anything as such. And if you're using some other networks, try to switch to any of the other networks that you have. For example, if you have some multiple networks available, you can try to switch to those and see if that problem fixes the issue. If that doesn't help, if you're using cellular data, then you can switch Wi-Fi, and if you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular data. What this does is that sometimes it is also going to change the IP address, and as a result, it's also going to let you connect to WhatsApp. The other thing what you could do is just head over and then launch your respective app store. So just go ahead and open up your Apple App Store over here. Once you open your app store, in the search box you want to just type in WhatsApp, and as soon as you type in WhatsApp, check whether or not the WhatsApp app has an update available, because if it does, then make sure to update the app to the latest version. What updating does is that it's going to get rid of most of the bugs and errors that existed in the previous versions of the application. If that doesn't help, launch your settings on your iPhone. Once you launch settings, you want to go to the option called General, scroll down to the bottom, select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Don't worry, we're not going to reset our iPhone. What we're going to do is we're going to reset our network settings by tapping on Reset and selecting Reset Network Settings. What this does is that it is going to get rid of all of your connected devices on Bluetooth, on Wi-Fi and so on, and then reconnect them again in a fresh installation. The other thing what you can do is on the General tab itself, just go ahead and then open up iPhone storage. Once you open up iPhone storage, here on the list of all these applications, you simply want to go ahead and search for WhatsApp. So let me also go ahead and then look for the WhatsApp application after you open it up. Tap on it, make sure to offload the app. Once you offload the app, you can go ahead and then reinstall the app. Do not worry, offloading the app will not delete your WhatsApp chats or anything. It is going to keep your documents and data while actually deleting the app, and when we reinstall the application, it might as well also fix some of the bugs and errors. Now you can go ahead and try to open WhatsApp and see if that fixes the issue. Most likely, one of these would have solved your problem. If it did help solve your problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.